another one demoed out pretty quick. We're gonna fill it up. We're gonna fill it up and make a new one.
No.
You know, your fiberglass pool. It's actually pretty deep. There was a little bit of water in it, but by the time I bring dirt to fill it up, the water will disappear over the next 4 or 5 days. Crazy, huh? So we tore the old pool out. We're going to fill up this new pool. We're going to take out all this concrete around it. And then we are going to make a new one, which will be starting hopefully next week. Yeah, today's just filling it up. I don't have all the dirt, but I should be getting some more dirt today or tomorrow, and then get this concrete out and keep it going. All right. Just that little pile of concrete over there that we need to haul away. Oh, it's concrete and bricks. So. And we're gonna get working on the next pool right here real quick. Probably tomorrow, the next day.
Oh, not orange. You only buy orange.
What up, YouTube? So back with another video here. It's been a little minute since I've been uploading, but I've been busy, very busy. If you guys have any questions or, you know, just trying to get some information about how to fill in a swimming pool or things of that nature, go ahead and leave me an email, you know, detailed email. You can feel free to, at that point, you know, reach out, make a phone call, or leave a phone number where I can get in contact with you through the email. You know, usually I'm pretty responsive about it. So visit the website down below, and you know, if you have any questions about filling up your pool, things of that nature, feel free to contact me. All right.